Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at whether or not you may be eligible to bring a claim for compensation if you've been involved in an accident resulting in paralysis. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, along with how we recommend that you can begin the process of claiming, as well as how much your paralysis injury claim may be worth, as we take a look at our compensation injury amounts table. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Accidents which result in paralysis can have a devastating impact on the lives of a victim, and whether it be compensation for medical negligence in the UK or any other type of accident which has caused paralysis. If you're thinking about bringing a claim, it's important to bear in mind that you may only be entitled to compensation for paralysis if the accident was down to the negligence of someone else. So that's whether or not you may be eligible. But how do you go about bringing a claim for paralysis? Well, we strongly recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with paralysis compensation claims. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk not only offers a no-win, no-fee service, which means that there's no upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. But we're also happy to offer you a completely free, zero obligation consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, by calling our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or by visiting our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to discuss personal injury compensation levels with you and use our compensation calculators, including our multiple injury compensation calculator, workplace injury compensation calculator, personal injury insurance settlement calculator, soft tissue injury compensation calculator, and our anxiety compensation calculator to help you establish how much you may be entitled to, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will be for your injuries alone and do not include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work, or any medical expenses, any care costs, the cost of any trips made in relation to your injury, and any other expenses associated with your paralysis. Now, we're going to take a look at how much your injuries may be worth when claiming compensation by taking a look at our paralysis compensation claim amount table. And in front of us, we see 3 different injury types. Now, the top one, that is the most severe type of injury in this category, you'd expect to receive anything from £258,740 right the way up to £322,060. Then onto the second bracket, so we're looking at paraplegia right now. This could be anything from £174,620 right the way up to £226,610. Then finally onto the bottom one, so this is for shorter durations. You'd expect to receive anything up to £39,330. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.